Hello and welcome. My name is David Samoje. This is a video on how to make money from t-shirt design. How to make money from t-shirt design. If you are just joining me for the first time, I want to say welcome. Thank you for clicking through. Hope you are doing well. Please stay safe this period. If you're my subscriber, you've been following me for a while. I want to say I really appreciate you guys. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are safe. Please, you guys should stay indoors, remain safe. So in this video, we're going to be talking on how to make money from t-shirt design. T-shirt design is a lucrative business. It can be called print on demand. If you are just new to it, you should be known as print on demand. And I have so many videos talking about it. About 85 videos. So you can see these are all t-shirt designs, different t-shirt design. I have about 85 videos up already. So you can just go through my channel and watch this if this is something you're interested in. You can go in and watch, enjoy yourself watching them. So without wasting much of time, I'll just give you a brief story on how to make money on t-shirt designs. T-shirt design is something you just make as an hobby. It's a passive income earner. You go to sites like Redbubble. Let me show you the site. So you have sites like Teepublic, Redbubble, and Teespring. So on Teespring, you just upload, as you can see, these are designs. These are designs on this shirt. So how Teespring work is that you create your designs. It might be a typography like this, or a picture, or an illustration like this. It can be anything. Just make sure it is something catchy and something people want to buy and all. As you can see, these are just a few already up. These are designs we put on t-shirt to sell. So you just put it for Teepublic. The price is about $13, so you make about, let's say, $5 per designs. So what I would advise you to do is to put out a lot of designs. You have to put out a lot of designs. They have a fixed price, so it's $14, as you can see. $14, so you're making about $5, from it. So it's super easy. All you have to do is to register. You don't need to have a physical product. You just register on Teepublic, then upload your design, set everything, and just let it roll. You can decide to promote it with Instagram, but for the main part is just to put as much design as possible on the platform. And once you get a sale, you share it 50-50 and you get paid out through Payoneer or PayPal. For Redbubble is similar, nothing too different, but this one you can set the pricing for yourself. You can increase the percentage which you want to sell your t-shirt, but be very careful. You don't want to overprice. You don't want to price out your designs, because if your designs are too expensive, then they will have to move on to other designs, get other designs. So you want to price out your designs. So print on demand is not necessarily for only t-shirts. You can also put it on phone cases, small scarf like this, pillows. As you can see, this is a shirt. So you just need to be creative with bag. Just be creative. Put all your designs. Put it on shirts. Put it on mugs. Put it on jotters. Put it on phone cases. As much as you can. As you can see, this just super easy. But with Redbubble, you can increase your price, you increase the percentage from your dashboard, and you can just decide on what your price will be. And for Redbubble and Teespring, you have a tag list. So you can use tags. If you want to get my tag PDF, just let me know and I'll be glad to forward it to you. It's super cheap. It's not expensive something. It's super cheap. For Teespring is not a site I use so often. But as you can see, it's nothing different too. It's similar to the rest, the two I talked about. The only difference that they don't use tags again, and you have to get your first 10 sales before they start to promote you automatically. But with these other two sites, you can get organic promotion from start. But with Teespring, you need to have the organic trust score for them to start promoting you on the site. So how much can you make monthly from t-shirt design? Let's use Teepublic for an example. Let's open our calculator here. So now let's say we make 5, or let's say we make 6 per design. If we have about 1,000 unique designs, I will sell at least one a month. So that's times 1,000. Just assuming you sell one per month on every design, you make $6,000. It's that simple. But if you can also know, you can make just 500 sales a month. You can make 500 sales a month times 6. That's $600. That gives you 3K in dollars. So you see, it's quite lucrative, and you don't have to do anything. The only thing you have to do is just to create your designs and upload it to the site, and that's where I come in. That's where my channel come in. If this is something you want to learn, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, because I show you step by step how to create these designs. As you can see, I've created so many designs. I created about 1,000. When I started my channel in January, it's up to 85 now. As you can see, it's up to 85. It's super easy. You can make serious money from it being at home. Like now that you can't move out, your designs can still be selling and making your money indoors. That is the beauty of passive income. So if this is something you're interested in, I would advise you subscribe to my channel so that you follow me as my design process. If you don't know how to design yet, I still bring out videos on how to use Teepublic, Teespring, and Redbubble. So if this is something you're interested in, make sure you follow my channel. To your right, you see a playlist. Make sure you watch it, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Have a lovely day.